What's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. You guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all. Hey, we're going to get right into this one. I also want to let you know about Webull. You guys already know I have a link provided below. Download the link, deposit as little as $5, and if that's all you have. But if not, just go ahead and put $100 in there. You're going to get a couple of free stock worth up to $2,300. Okay, good people. The links are provided below. Check out all the links. Let's get right into it. I got a stock that could pop because the stock is it's really made off of a pop group or pop groups. It's the ticker symbol is CPOP, CPOP. I spoke about it a few videos back. It made a run, right? And so let's look at that. And then we're going to talk about a little crypto. All right. So let's go. It's Pop Culture Group CPOP, CPOP. Now, as you could see, it opened up and it ran up, right? And it is a Chinese company. And here's why I'm even looking at it. Now, before I even go any further, I'm going to tell you guys, I'm bringing this stock up to put it on your radar. Okay. I'm not saying go ahead and buy it right now. I'm putting it on your radar because I believe it's a post-COVID play. I believe that this new Delta variant is wreaking havoc on this company because it's about live performances, right? And the more the COVID variant numbers are getting high, COVID numbers are getting high, it's going to further tank this company, all right? Therefore, providing a buying opportunity at the bottom. All right, so let's zoom out. Look at this. If you go out a month, you'll see that this stock was $65. So it recently IPO'd, ran up, right? And then it sold off. So what I believe, because there's not a company that is exactly like this, a lot of music companies make their money through streaming and other platform. This is off of the groups themselves. So there's really not a publicly traded company that's well known, especially from China, like this. So we got to find out how to really evaluate this company. So it had a big sell-off. I like seeing this because I don't like to buy up here. I like to buy down here. So I'm looking at an opportunity. So here's what I did, good people. I bought 5 shares this morning at $6.98. 5, just to put it on my radar. When you got, 30, 40 different stocks that you're in, 50 different stocks, sometimes I'll buy a few shares of a stock so I can just put it on my watch list. So that's what I did. So I'm not NOT telling you to go out and buy this stock. I just want to put it on your radar. All right. Okay. So look at this. So now it's beaten down because of the COVID variant, I believe. So let's look at the 5-day. You see, number of cases, it was up to 1070, or I'm sorry, 1137 5 days ago. And the COVID variant numbers are rising and this starts to fall. That's what I see. Let's look at what it is, right? Pop Culture Group Company Limited hosts entertainment events to corporate clients in China. The company hosts concerts and hip hop related events, including stage plays, dance competitions, culture and music festivals, promotional parties, as we create hip hop related online programs and provide event planning and blah, 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 blah. All right. So it's around hip hop groups, pop groups, and that's what it is, just like the whole K-pop type of deal. So now let's look at what's against it. A lot of you guys are going to say, well, it's a Chinese company and Chinese companies are under attack right now. And that could be some of the downward pressure that's forming it to drop, right? But I also see COVID as one of the main things that's driving this stock down. That's what I see. But also, I took a few notes earlier. And yeah, so I bought a few shares, just 5, just to put it on my radar. So this is not an investment. And this is a swing play for me. So I bought a few shares at 698, right? All right. And so it's showing some support at 710. And in a perfect world, remember this week is shaky for me. In a perfect world, it would be a buy under $7, right? So it's showing resistance at about 885. If it breaks past 885, you could look at taking some profits at $12.89. That's what I would be looking to do in a perfect world if the market wasn't so shaky. The reason why I didn't go in heavy with this is because of the market this week. I stated in my earlier video, Monday it tanked, Tuesday we're coming back. I believe that we may have another kind of pullback by the end of the week. That's what I believe. So tread lightly. Don't come back here saying, oh, you told me to buy this stock. It's always funny when I talk about when I'm trying to mimic other people, I go into this deep voice. But anyway, good people, let's keep it rolling. Hey, I also want to talk about Bitcoin. Okay. I want to talk about Bitcoin and not Bitcoin, crypto. I'm not buying any Bitcoin. I wouldn't be buying any Bitcoin right now. This is just me personally. I believe Bitcoin is going to dip even further. But ADA, Cardano, and Ethereum have been holding really good. And remember, a few videos ago, I said my buy-in price was $1. It came, I bought some more ADA, Cardano, at about $1.03. And it's 24 hours ago. And I bought some more Cardano. I'm loading up on Cardano. I know I said my buy-in price is $1, and that's where I'm going to stick to. Looking at buying more Cardano at $1. If it goes back to $1, which it could be as I'm making this, I'm going to buy some more. But Ethereum, remember I said Ethereum, I'm buying at around the 1700s. It did in the last 24 hours, went down to the 1700s. And so I bought some more Ethereum. Now, a lot of people are saying that Bitcoin could be going down in price, and it can. I mean, it absolutely could. But Ethereum has not, it's more stable right now to me than Bitcoin. And that's why I'm not, NOT, not buying any Bitcoin right now. So Cardano and Ethereum are my plays. Because look, the stock market is still points off of an all-time high. And so what we do is we continue to dump into something that's high. And cryptocurrencies is actually beat down. And I buy beat down stock because the lower the price you buy a stock, the less risk you have, good people. And it works. And so crypto is really, really beat down right now. And yes, it could come down a little more. It could go down a little more, but I like the way it is and I like where it is right now. And I also have my eye on Matic, because if Ethereum goes up, so goes Matic. And so I'm actually bullish on Matic. For those of you that know my crypto plays, you know that I'm good on it. Now, I'm not going to give a buy-in price on Matic, but I believe that if Ethereum goes up, Matic is going up too. Actually, you even have more, to me, you have more gain to even make on Matic than Ethereum. And so those are my two price predictions. I want you guys to keep your eye on CPOP if you want to make a quick pop. But as you can see, you could really make a killing if it goes half of where it IPO'd at. You could really make a killing. You're talking about, 5-10 times in your money, easy, at these prices. So I just wanted to put that on your radar. And I wanted to end by saying, oh yeah, one other thing with crypto. Sorry if I'm bouncing around. I got to run back to another doctor's appointment. Here's another thing for crypto and for those of you that swing trading. There is a conference coming tomorrow with Kathy Woods, who just bought $70 million worth of GBTC in the Grayscale Fund, from the Grayscale Fund, rather. So Kathy Woods just spent about $70 million purchasing GBTC from the Grayscale Fund. And then she's going to be having a conference with Elon Musk and Michael Saylor. Anybody that knows Bitcoin, you got to know about Michael Saylor, the Twitter guy. I'm sorry, Jack Dorsey's the Twitter guy. Michael Saylor is the crypto guy, and Jack Dorsey is the Twitter guy. And so they're going to be having a conference about, and I believe this conference is tomorrow, about cryptocurrency. Okay. And even if I was going to do a swing play, I think you may get a little bounce off of this so-called conference. All right. So I just wanted to throw that in there and tell you why I'm buying at these prices. And it could go lower, but I'm going to look at buying a little more. I'm not telling you what to do. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm Larry telling you what I'm doing, but it just makes good sense to me, good people. I'm going to end by saying this. Jeff Bezos, he just came back from orbit, and I made a video Sunday. On Sunday evenings, I do an inspirational. And if you don't like inspirational stuff for the next 2 minutes, I'm done with the stock. I bid you adieu. I'll see you the next time. But if you like inspirational stuff, I'm going to just tell you, Jeff Bezos talked about exactly what I talked about on Sunday. And I was saying that it feels good to do for others, right? And so he had two people, I guess, candidates. One gentleman I've been following, he has this food truck, and he goes to these disaster areas and he cooks, right? His motto is build longer tables, not taller walls or something like that. Meaning we're community and we need to take care of each other, right? And then Van Jones is another guy that I really like, because he's about really unifying people and like, let's not be divided over these stupid politics. I hate politics because the truth is always somewhere in the middle. There's enough blame to go around on both sides. We're going to wake up and realize one day that we have to take care of each other, and we're all going to be judged on how we treat and take care of each other. It may sound corny, but it is the absolute truth. But Jeff Bezos gave them $100 million to donate to their charities, to do whatever they want to do, with no strings attached, no boards attached, to do whatever they want to do. And I see that is something that's a great blessing. I would love to have the opportunity to give away that much money to charities. And you guys know in your neighborhoods who's doing good work and who's not. And so you could literally imagine having that kind of money to rightfully divide amongst people who you know are going to take care of others. And so I'm going to end with that. We have to take care of others, good people. It is more blessed to be in the position of the giver than the receiver. And so that's why we're here, learning how to do stocks. So I was at lunch earlier today, and there was a group of young ladies I took this picture, and this group of young ladies was from Morgan Township softball team. And the young lady there at the bottom with her tongue out, I saw her go to this table. There was an older gentleman who was 82. I know because I talked to him. And she says, "Are you alone?" He was sitting alone. And she just, "Can I sit with you?" And she just started talking to him. And that moved me, man. That just moved me. And this group of young ladies, they were all beautiful, spirited young ladies. And I just love the way that they took care of this gentleman. So I took care of both bills. See, that's the way it works. When you take care of people, God will take care of you, good people. And so I love that type of deal, that type of giving. And it just makes you feel good, right? So you know what? I'm going to tell you this. Young people, if you want to gain wisdom, talk to older people. And that will will give you just a wisdom that you can't get in a school, right? And for those of you that are middle-aged, you know, my age, middle-aged, if you want to live forever, invest in young people. I'm never going to die because I'm investing in young people, and I do it all of the time. I give young people platforms. I pour into young people. And that's what I do because I'll never die. Even when this flesh and bones leave here, my legacy will live on because I'm pouring into young people. All right, good people, just remember those things. I love you guys, each and every one of you. I know it's corny. It's Monday. I usually do this on, Sunday nights, but I'm going to be doing more of this on Instagram. My link is provided below. It'll be on the top. All right, good people. Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.